Alright, so this is my completed Roman Colosseum. As you can see, it came out really nice. Thought I'd give it this shot here instead of the flash and see what it looks like. Nice detail, very smooth on the top. This was created on the Creality CR-10 and took about 15 hours. You can get this on the Thingiverse. Just search Roman Colosseum, you'll find one of the models. And this one printed out very nicely. This is on PLA, yellow. I used hairspray on the bed. And I used a brim. This is printed at 0.2 with about 10% infill. As you can see, the detail came out really nice. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that. This is what it would look like back in the day. A little bit of a freak show inside. The Roman Colosseum, 3D printed, and a Creality CR-10. Enjoy. Talk to you next time.